Did you know that using potato juice regularly will restore collagen, which is required for the proper growth of hair strands? Collagen is the building block of hair, and this protein is very essential to ensure faster hair growth. Potato juice also help making the growth of hair follicles better and prevent hair thinning. 3. Potatoes are high in vitamin B, C, iron, and zinc that help in hair growth stimulation and encouraging hair development. 4. Potato juice can help in cleansing the scalp by absorbing sebum and sweat. It's unclog hair follicles, keeping the scalp clean. 5. It also acts as a conditioner when used with ingredients like honey and eggs. 6. Potato juice exhibit antioxidant activity. This may keep the scalp free of infection like seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. 7. Using potato juice may add shine and luster to your hair by closing the cuticles. Now, here is how to use potato juice for massive hair growth. Take a medium size of potato and wash it properly. Create the potato and squeeze the juice out of it. You can well blend it and squeeze the juice out. Apply it on your scalp, keep it for 20 minutes and gently rinse it off, using water first, followed by an organic, mild shampoo. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.